Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are practicing daily. Now in today's video, we are going to take a very important topic which is how to use has, have and had and when to use them. So, I have seen a lot of people saying he have a car, which is wrong. We should always say he has a car. Why? Because with the subject pronoun I always use have. I have a car. With you, I will again use have. You have a car. However, with he, she, it, or a name, a single name, I will use has. He has a car. She has a car. Raj has a car. So you see, when I'm talking about he, she, or a single name, I will use has. Then with we I use have. We have a car. They have a car. So with I, you, we, and they, I always use have. However, with he, she, it, and a name, a single name, I use have. What if I have more than one name? Let's say Raj and Geeta, right? Raj and Geeta have a car. Now I'm not talking about one single person. I'm talking about more than one person, which is two people, right? Now in this case, I will say Raj and Sita have a car. Has is only for one person. Alright, now you try to make some sentences with has and have. Write the sentences in comment section below so that I can check them. Now, let's move on to had. We have seen the uses of has and have, which we just use in present tense. Now, on the other side, had is used for past tense. Past tense which has been finished. For example, I had a car. That means in the past I had a car, now I do not have a car. Okay? So I had a car. You had a car. She had a car. He had a car. We had a car. They had a car. Yeah? Now you try to make some sentences with had. Now let's talk about do and does. When I say I do, you do, I say he does, she does, Raj does, we do, and they do. Right? So do, and does. With he, she, it, or a name, I say does. Now, let's talk about negations. How to make negative sentences. Till now, I told you I have a car. But what if I do not? I will say I do not have a car. You do not have a car. But with he or she, I say does not. Now, as I told you before, it will be he has a car. When I negate a sentence, means I'm saying a negative sentence using does not, I will change has back to have. He does not have a car. She does not have a car. Raj does not have a car. We do not have a car. They do not have a car. Right? Now let's try to make some questions. We have seen how to make positive sentences. Positive sentences mean I have a car. Negative sentences consist I do not have a car. Now, how will I make questions in simple present tense only? So I have a car will become do I have a car? Do I have a car? With you, I will say, do you have a car? Do you have a car? With he or she, I will say, does he have a car? Does she have a car? Now, if you see, I'm using have with he and she, right? In this case, I also have does in the same sentence. That is why, does he have a car? So, whenever I have does in the sentence, I do not need to use has. I will only use have. Does he have a car? Does she have a car? Do we have a car? Do they have a car? Yeah? Now you try to make some sentences. We have learned uses of has, had, and have. Has is used in present tense with he, she, it, or a name. For example, he has a piano. She has a red bag. Yeah? Alright. Now have are used with I, you, we, they. Yes? Alright. Now had is always used for past tense. Past tense as in I had a car. That means now I do not have a car anymore. So had only and only for past tense. Alright, so this will be it for today's video. Now I recommend you to make some sentences. Try and practice as much as you can. And I will see you in the next video with a new topic. Thank you.